Offering a free mini course as a lead magnet is one of the most effective ways to build your email list and convert leads into loyal customers. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to offer a free mini course as a lead magnet that actually works, step by step. The first thing you need to do is decide on the topic for your mini course. It should be something that's valuable to your audience, relevant to their pain points, and aligned with the products or services you offer. Think about the questions your audience frequently asks, or the biggest challenges they face, and create a mini course around solving that problem. Once you've picked a topic, it's time to plan your content. A free mini course doesn't have to be long or complicated. In fact, the simpler, the better. Break down your content into bite-sized modules, each covering a specific part of the solution you're offering. Each module should be no longer than 5 to 10 minutes to keep your audience engaged and make it easy to digest. After planning your content, you'll need to record and create your mini course. This could be done through video lessons, audio files, or downloadable PDFs. The key is to make it easy for your audience to consume and follow. If you're creating video lessons, make sure to keep them concise, visually appealing, and to the point. If you choose to use software to create and host your course, there are a ton of great tools out there. I've tried all the popular ones, and I'm going to link to an exclusive free trial of the software we're using in the description below so you can follow along. Now it's time to set up your landing page. This is where your audience will sign up for the free mini course. The key to an effective landing page is to clearly explain the value of your course and why your audience should sign up. Use a compelling headline and a simple form asking for their name and email. Be sure to include a brief description of the course, how it will help them, and any bonuses you might be offering, like exclusive resources or templates. Once your landing page is ready, you'll want to promote your free mini course. You can drive traffic through social media, your website, email marketing, or even paid ads. The key here is to make sure your promotion clearly communicates the benefits of the mini course and what people will walk away with after completing it. As people sign up for your mini course, deliver it through your email list. You can set up an automated email sequence that sends the course content directly to their inbox. This helps keep your audience engaged and gives you a chance to nurture them with additional valuable content. Finally, don't forget the follow-up. Once your audience completes the mini course, offer them a next step. This could be a more advanced course, a paid product, or a free consultation. You want to transition them from free value to a paid offering that meets their ongoing needs. The key takeaway here is that offering a free mini course as a lead magnet is a powerful way to build your list and engage potential customers. Keep your mini course simple, valuable, and aligned with your business, and you'll see great results. Let's quickly go over what we covered. First, choose a relevant topic for your mini course. Plan your content in bite-sized modules. Record and create your course using simple, accessible tools. Set up an effective landing page. Promote your course across multiple channels. Deliver the content through email, and always follow up with your audience to transition them into a customer. Before I close off, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we're using for this mini course in the description below. You can follow along and start building your own lead magnet today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.